In today's video, I'm going to teach you about the Add to Queue feature on YouTube. This handy tool can enhance your viewing experience by lining up videos for seamless playback, allowing you to watch your selected content without interruptions. First, let's talk about what Add to Queue specifically means and why you might want to use it. When browsing YouTube, you might come across several videos you are interested in watching. Instead of clicking on each one right away, which can disrupt your current viewing, Add to Queue lets you create a playlist of videos that will automatically play one after the other. This is especially useful when you're multitasking or just want an uninterrupted viewing flow. To get started with using the Add to Queue feature, ensure that you're browsing videos either on your desktop or laptop, as the feature is currently limited to these platforms. Once you're on your YouTube homepage or any video page, you can locate videos of interest. Hover over the video thumbnail or the description. You should see a small icon with 3 vertical dots appear. Go ahead and click on these dots. Among the options that drop down, you'll find the option to Add to Queue. Clicking this will insert the video into a temporary list at the bottom of your YouTube page. Once a video is added, you can see your current playing video shrink into a mini player, which moves to the corner of your screen. This way, you can continue browsing other videos or even navigate around YouTube without losing track of your current queue. To explore and edit the queue you've created, click on the queue list, displayed at the bottom of your screen. From there, you can rearrange the order of the videos by simply dragging them up and down. If you accidentally added a video you no longer want to watch, just hover over it and click the X that appears to remove it. It's important to note that this queue is temporary and will clear once you've left YouTube or close your browser. So, it's a tool best used for immediate viewing sessions rather than long-term playlist management. For saving videos permanently, it's best to add them to your Watch Later list or a dedicated playlist. In conclusion, Add to Queue is a simple, yet efficient tool on YouTube that can greatly enhance your viewing convenience by creating a seamless, continuous stream of content tailored to your interests. So next time you're surfing YouTube, give it a try and enjoy a more fluid watching experience. Thanks for joining me in this deep dive into a feature that makes handling your longer YouTube sessions just that much easier and more convenient.